Hi, welcome to the vlog. This week we went to Sweet Sweet and we hung out at Ergo's mansion.
So after we did our Boston trip, we decided to tootle on down to New York and go to Sweet Sweet.
Sweet Sweet is like a mini toy fair, but like mainly for like bloggers and business people. The first thing you walk into at Sweet Sweet is the Nintendo booth.
It was fun.
So I played some Mario Kart there.
Yeah, that was probably my favorite booth.
Yeah, Nintendo was my favorite booth out of all of them because it's Nintendo and it's great.
We were also there for Nintendo.
It was
We did
also
a
the
live
biggest
stream.
booth.
We did a live stream for Captain Toad, and if any of you saw that,
Half of
you're
it.
lucky. Wow, because it went on for like 5 minutes and it had tons of problems, but it was fun and Nintendo's great.
We got to taste the new flavors of the edible bubbles. We remember that from Toy Fair, I'm pretty sure.
And then we raced with some remote control vehicles.
And I don't remember who won.
I won.
I think we actually tied.
No, you didn't know what to do. You were supposed to go back,
yeah.
front, and then back. But you just went.
You guys were going in circles.
Well, no, that was in the beginning. That was before the actual race started. That's why we were figuring it out.
Yeah.
Duh.
Jonah won.
This was Micah's second year at Sweet Sweet, and he didn't do so hot this year.
Didn't do so hot. He done messed up.
Oof.
He liked those toys, but he just threw a giant fit.
You look like Slash, Emma.
One of Micah's favorite things there were the Razor scooters for babies. I didn't try the Razor scooter.
Jonah
I
tried the Razor longboard. And
Oh, that was a bad idea. The lady just thought I was gonna be fine.
But there was a cosplay booth there, and the cosplayer was a giant Voltron. It was great, and he had
Yeah.
a Lura with him, and
They were walking around the whole time.
yeah, it was wonderful.
It was really cool.
And I couldn't tell if people liked Voltron or if they just thought it was cool. He played with this kitchen set for a really long time.
Good job, Micah. Wash your veggies. You should put them in the oven.
Oh my goodness. I was gonna cook them.
Nice, Micah.
And then Micah played with this set that he has at home, which is upstairs
have
right now.
that at home.
He
I
has
don't think
that.
anyone knows what that set is.
No, but we're filming it. It's a train
You'll
set.
see.
It's here.
He hides behind it whenever we go up in his room. He's like, I'm not here, and then he hides behind it. It's great. Micah played with more trains. Guess
Guess what else he did for the entire day?
Yeah.
Played with toys.
Yep, Micah played with toys all day, every day at Sweet Sweet. That's it. That's basically it.
It was one day.
Or you knock it down, it doesn't matter. You know, it's okay.
I opened up a Party Pop Teeny, which are these little like push pop things where a little figure comes out. This is Winter Wonderland Surprise Lily, and I'm going to put her accessories on.
That's very cute.
And then we went pow pow in the viddy game section. We went pow pow, tap tap in some yum yum Pac-Man. We didn't play Pac-Man.
they
Please say
played
that
arcade games.
We played arcade games and it was super duper fun. And I tried getting a high score in that Asteroids game and it was very, very difficult.
It's always fun. The red and white guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Mommy and I played with a 3D pen, and we made some leaves to hook onto a tree.
And then we did this maze thing.
I'm gonna go into this balloon maze now. More than it already is. I have escaped. We'd like to thank Sweet Sweet for inviting us and Nintendo for having us. It was great, and we had a whole lot of fun looking at all the new toys and eating the wonderful food there. After Sweet Sweet, we drove down to Ergo's mansion.
He's the guy who created Socialblade, which is one of the most reputable sources of YouTube information.
We've known Ergo for several years, and
He's a pretty chill guy.
I filmed the movie with him once. It was very fun.
I also drove Ergo's Tesla, and his Tesla has this feature where you can put the brake all the way down and it'll hold, and then you can floor it, and it will go from 0 to 60 in like 4.5 seconds. It's very fun.
I'm definitely not gonna crash.
Yeah. No, you're doing good.
It's not difficult to drive. Is it self-driving right now?
No, do not take your hands off the wheel.
Later, bro. Be safe. Hope you're insured.
I drove the mini Tesla.
And Micah got to drive it.
Micah didn't think steering wheels were a thing.
Well, Micah's right.
He just went straight.
Steering wheels don't exist for Micah.
Micah, are you driving the Tesla? Uh-oh. Oh, there goes the steering wheel. Micah, what are you doing?
There you go. Go now.
Oh, there goes the steering wheel again. Probably not.
He had the HTC Vive, the Microsoft HoloLens, the Oculus Rift.
None of that matters. We played VR.
Jonah, shh!
We played the HTC Vive.
Alright.
We didn't do any of the others.
Yeah,
So-
we
We
did
did
HoloLens,
HoloLens.
but
So-
I don't think we filmed
It
that.
was super cool. We tried out the Microsoft HoloLens, and it was awesome. And we also tried out the HTC Vive.
There we go.
It
That's
was pretty fun.
That was a good way to say it.
Later that night, there was a mouse that was in our room, but it went under the blanket of Emma's bed.
I need a bigger box because there's no power with this one.
Look, there it is. It's so little.
Mike, it's okay.
It's right here.
Get out of here. It's under there, Moss. Get it.
It's behind that. It's behind here now.
Alright, you're
Oh, it touched me.
It touched
Yeah, that was
you.
weird.
Did it touch you?
Yeah.
Oh, I died. I'm
It's so cute.
It is cute, but it's fast. Oh, I can't handle it. It's gonna run out and get you in the face.
No, it's a mouse.
Oh my gosh.
The second half of the mouse story was concluded by Ergo and his family, so check that out in the link below.
And probably the eye.
What?
The eye.
Oh, and the card. And the card. Also, off topic, but does anyone else absolutely hate cards? Like, I'm trying to watch something, get out of my face. I hate it.
I think it's fine when it's at the end of the video.
I don't like it when it pops up in the middle of my video because I always have to.
What if it's a
press
shirt?
out.
Then I'm like,
Inconvenient.
Yeah, yeah. Anyways, that was a nice little tangent. Comment down below your opinion on cards. Annotations are weird. You remember those? Those
Oh,
were
ew.
really weird. So thank you for watching. Thank you to Sweet Sweet, and thank you to Ergo for having us at Sweet Sweet and your house.
You
So
had us at Sweet Sweet.
yes. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
see you next time.
There's currently squares and a circle over these boys. Click these rectangles to watch more videos. Click this circle to subscribe.
Oh, and like hit that bell or something. I don't know.
Hit that bell, smash that like button.
I like doing it at the end. That's
And
the only time I'm okay with it.
and hit that 6 subscribe button.